Hey there, future Python Pro, ready to dive into the exciting world of coding? You're in the right place. With Python, you can do amazing things, from creating games to building websites. And guess what? It's easier than you think. In this beginner-friendly guide, we're going to create a fun number guessing game together, step by easy step. No prior coding experience, no problem. We'll walk through everything, explaining each line of code along the way. So grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's get started on this exciting Python adventure. Are you ready to unlock your coding superpowers? Let's go. Before we can write code, we need to set up our Python playground. This is an essential step to ensure that we have all the tools we need to start coding efficiently. Think of it like getting your art supplies ready before you start painting a masterpiece. Just as an artist needs brushes, paints, and a canvas, a programmer needs a proper environment to write and test code. We'll be using Python's official website to download everything we need. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language, and having the right setup will make your coding journey smoother and more enjoyable. Head over to https://www.python.org/ and look for the download section. This website is the hub for all things Python, including documentation, tutorials, and community support. Find the version of Python that matches your computer, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and click the download button. It's important to choose the correct version to ensure compatibility with your operating system. Once the download is complete, double-click the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Python, just like you would install any other program. The installation process is straightforward, but make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during the setup. After the installation is finished, you can verify that Python is installed correctly by opening a command prompt or terminal and typing Python version. This command will display the version of Python that is installed on your system. That's it. You've just taken the first step toward becoming a Python programmer. With Python installed, you're now ready to start coding and exploring the endless possibilities that programming offers. Now let's move on to writing some actual code. In the next chapter, we'll dive into the basics of Python programming and write our first script. Get ready to unleash your creativity and problem-solving skills. Now that Python is installed, let's have a little conversation with our computer. This might sound a bit strange at first, but trust me, it's going to be fun and incredibly rewarding. Python is a powerful language, and learning to communicate with it opens up a world of possibilities. Don't worry, it understands Python, not our everyday language. This means we need to learn a few basic commands to get started. Think of it as learning a few phrases in a new language before traveling to a new country. We'll use a simple command called print to make Python display a message on the screen. The print command is one of the most basic and essential commands in Python. It's like saying hello when you meet someone new. Open up your favorite text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac and type the following. Print, hello Python world. Notice the quotation marks around the text. These are important because they tell Python that this is a string or a piece of text that we want to display. Save this file as guessing_game.py. The name of the file can be anything you like, but it's a good practice to choose something meaningful. In this case, we're calling it guessing_game because that's what our program will eventually become. The .py at the end tells our computer that this is a Python file. This is important because it allows the computer to recognize and execute the code correctly. Now, open your computer's terminal or command prompt. This is a tool that allows you to interact with your computer using text commands. It might look a bit intimidating at first, but it's a very powerful tool once you get the hang of it. Use the cd command to navigate to the folder where you saved your guessing_game.py file. The cd command stands for change directory, and it's how you tell your computer where to look for files. Once you're in the right folder, type python guessing_game.py and hit enter. This command tells your computer to run the Python interpreter and execute the code in your guessing_game.py file. If everything went well, you should see "Hello Python World" displayed on your screen. This means that Python has successfully executed your code and displayed the message. Congratulations! You've just written and executed your first Python program. This is a huge milestone, and you should be proud of yourself. From here, the possibilities are endless. You can start exploring more complex commands and building more sophisticated programs. Welcome to the world of Python programming. Let's add some excitement to our game with a mystery number. We'll use Python's random module. Think of it as a toolbox full of cool features. We'll use its randint function to generate a random number between 1 and 100 for our game. Add the following lines to your guessing_game.py file. Python import random secret underscore number equal sign. Random.randint 100. The first line tells Python to bring in the random toolbox so we can use its tools. The second line tells Python to pick a random number between 1 and 100 and store it in a variable called secret underscore number. This secret underscore number is what the player will try to guess. Section 5. Let's play the guessing game. Now for the fun part, let's build the guessing loop. This loop will keep asking the player to guess the number until they get it right. Add these lines to your code Python guessing equal sign true while guessing. This code might look a bit more complicated, but let's break it down. Save your guessing_game.py file and run it again using Python guessing_game.py in your terminal or command prompt. Now you can play your very own number guessing game. Section 6. Making the game even more fun. Our game is fun, but let's make it even better. We can add a guess counter to tell the player how many tries it took them to guess the number. Add this line before the loop Python num underscore guesses equal sign 0, and add this line inside the loop, after the player makes a guess. Python num underscore guesses equal sign num underscore guesses plus 1. Finally, after the loop ends, add this line to display the number of guesses. Python print, you guessed it in, num underscore guesses, tries. Now run your game again, you'll see how many tries it took you to guess the secret number. Section 7 Python, your ticket to endless possibilities. Congratulations! You've built a complete number guessing game in Python. This is a significant milestone and you should be proud of what you've accomplished. Not only have you created a functional game, but you've also laid a strong foundation for your coding journey. More importantly, you've taken your first steps into the world of coding. This is a world filled with creativity, problem solving, and endless opportunities. Each line of code you write is a step towards mastering a skill that is in high demand across various industries. Remember, this is just the beginning. The journey ahead is filled with exciting challenges and learning experiences. As you continue to explore Python, you'll discover new ways to apply your skills and solve real-world problems. Python is like a magical key that can unlock countless possibilities. It's a versatile language that can be used in various fields from web development to data science, automation, and beyond. The more you learn, the more you'll realize the potential Python holds. You can use Python to automate tasks. Imagine having Python automatically send birthday emails or organize your files. Automation can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on more important and creative tasks. No more boring, repetitive work. With Python, you can streamline your daily tasks and make your life easier. Automation is just one of the many ways Python can enhance your productivity. Analyze data. Python can help you find hidden patterns and insights in data. Become a data detective. Data analysis is a powerful skill that can open doors to careers in data science, business intelligence, and more. Build websites and web applications. Create the next big thing on the internet with Python's powerful web frameworks. Whether you're interested in front-end or back-end development, Python has the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. And so much more. Python's versatility means you can explore fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, game development, and even robotics. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. The possibilities are truly endless. As you continue to learn and grow, you'll find new and exciting ways to use Python. The community is vast and supportive, always ready to help you on your journey. Just keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun with it. The more you enjoy the process, the more motivated you'll be to continue improving your skills. Happy coding! Section 8. Share your success and your ideas. You've worked hard and learned a lot. Now it's time to share your accomplishment with the world. Take a screenshot of your code or a video of your game in action and share it on social media. Don't forget to tag it with #PythonBeginner and #MyFirstGame. And while you're at it, tell us, what other cool games or programs would you like to build with Python? We're always here to help you on your coding journey. Leave a comment below with your ideas, questions, and anything else you'd like to share. Section 9. Keep the Python fun going. Learning Python is like embarking on an exciting adventure. There's always something new to discover, a new challenge to overcome, a new skill to master. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and never be afraid to experiment. Remember, every expert programmer was once a beginner just like you. So, keep that curiosity alive, keep practicing, and soon you'll be amazed by what you can create with the power of Python. Happy coding!